Hello friends, today we will discuss moral value being considerate. Considerate means to be thoughtful, to be caring. And we will read a story. Being considerate brings respect. We should always be respectful to each other. If we give respect to others, only then we can gain respect from others. So if you want that people should treat you being courteous, so you should always be respectful to each and every person. Let's get started with the story. In the story, the scene is inside the airplane. Manu, a boy in the story, he placed his suitcase properly and sat down on his seat. Then a family rushed into the same airplane. They were five in number and they were actually late. And when they reached the plane, they started blaming each other for being late. The family members were not worried about the disturbance they were creating there. Then the man, the father of children, tried to find a place to keep their bag. And he just pushed a small suitcase which was already placed there and it fell on the ground. And the man started shouting, "Whose luggage is this? It was not placed properly." And that bag belongs to the boy Manu. And then Manu went near the man and said, "This is my suitcase." And he also said that I placed it properly. And he said that maybe I should help you to keep your luggage properly so that you do not create more disturbance or more accidents. मतलब वो फैमिली के सभी मेंबर्स अब तक डिस्टर्बेंस ही क्रिएट कर रहे थे बिकॉज दे वर एक्चुअली लेट. क्योंकि जब हमारी किसी भी चीज़ की शुरुआत अच्छी नहीं होती तो उसकी फिर कॉन्टीन्यूटी और उसकी एंडिंग भी वैसे ही चलती है. एंड इन द सेम वे, एक तो वो फैमिली पहले से लेट थी और जब से उन्होंने प्लेन में एंटर किया था वो डिस्टर्बेंस ही क्रिएट करे जा रहे थे. और जब वो बैग रखता है वो बैग अपना रख नहीं पाता और वो दूसरा भी नीचे फेंक के कहता है कि दिस वॉज नॉट प्रॉपरली प्लेस्ड, मीन्स दूसरे लोगों को ब्लेम कर रहा है. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन. एंड देन द एयर होस्टेस अराइव्ड देयर एंड इमीडिएटली मदर एंड 3 चिल्ड्रन डिमांडेड फॉर द ड्रिंक्स. अब देखो, अभी उन्होंने एंटर किया है, अभी बैठे ही हैं और आते ही उन्होंने रिफ़्रेशमेंट और ड्रिंक्स के लिए ऑर्डर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. और जबकि एयर होस्टेस उस डिस्टर्बेंस को कम करने के लिए वहाँ पर पहुँची थी. एंड देन एयर होस्टेस सेड देम टू sit quietly and she checked if the bags are properly placed, and then she requested the family to remain quiet until the plane take off. And she said that I'll come to you and will fulfill your needs after some time. But that lady was totally rude. उसने कहा कि ये तुम्हारा काम है, तुम्हें इस चीज़ के पैसे मिलते हैं. But the air hostess remained silent and she did not reacted to the remark of that lady. Manu was also watching and he was surprised that the air hostess remained calm, means उसने कुछ भी नहीं कहा. And he felt a lot of respect for the air hostess. The way the air hostess was working and showing respect for others, he was totally surprised to see that all. And he felt ashamed and sorry for that family or that lady who was behaving rudely. All of them were rude and disrespectful and inconsiderate. That means they were totally thoughtless. They were not caring. And Manu didn't like them. And he also understood that no one liked to be with those kind of people who are rude. And Manu decided to be just like the air hostess, polite and considerate, so that people would respect him. As I already told you that we should always respect other, only then we will get respect. Otherwise, just like that family members, if we will not respect anyone else, then also we will not get any respect from others. And we should learn a lot from the behavior of that air hostess. Even if someone shouts, but we should not behave in the same way, because then there will be no difference between that person and us. We should always behave with respect. We should always be thoughtful. We should always think about what we are going to say, what we are going to do, and what will be the consequences. So be respectful to others. And now there are some questions, you can solve those.